think it's wrong. Deep boy fresh with it on, know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important, what I'ma lock out. Don't play with the... Someone come on throw my heart, I think it's wrong.
Which one y'all taking? 720? R8? C806. All of them look sick, yo. All of them sound sick. Shout out to my boy Alec.Musa on Instagram. Shout out to him. Go follow his IG. Kind of sick ass 720s. Everything's starting up. Hey, your turn, my boy. It's about to be lit. Let's go, guys. Let's go. You good, Vaughn? Huh? You good? Yep. Alright, jump in now, dog. Jump in. I can close the trunk while I move? Put in your foot, put in your foot, put in your foot. No, you can't have it in a park. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna stop real quick. Come. Get a seat good and get your camera. We gonna have to catch up, bro. Yeah, that's what I said. Is it closed? No. You have the GPS? Okay. Look, they're passing. They gonna know about this Durango, boy. This Durango is crazy. You can video. You're in the passenger seat. Right there, but he didn't have on his radar. How do I turn it off? Okay. Oh shit, this about to be so lit, bro.
They're going to the coffee, right?
Yeah, I'm about to go beside them. Get all the shots, bro. It's about to be so lit. Get all the shots from boy. I'm about to take off. Let's do a little launch. Ready? It's spinning. You feel it? Turning right here, right? Bro, I can't even see if the camera is recording properly. I hope so. The Durango just turned fully sideways, bro. Oh shit, the McLaren is going for the pass. Yo, it's a whole crew of like shades. Why? Oh, he got an exhaust on his.
I told you, you have that titanium exhaust.
But
All of them stopped?
I'm assuming not.
Sheesh, that shit took off.
Get
Yeah, I'm supposed to stop rolling out.
the R8 is coming. I'm saying, all right, wind down the window and get the. Damn, boy, they passed on both sides. Damn, that boy leaving. Look, the C8, the C8. Yo, this is lit. Guys, I hope this camera is recording properly. If not, I am so sorry. I'm trying to look, but the thing, it does, yeah, I can't jump on it. There's a speed trap. Sketch back up. Business?
In a year, kid, I run the full of them.
They did something about supercars.
Yeah, the supercars just, and it perform better all around. The Hellcats only do it in a straight line. The supercar's gonna do it everywhere.
Yeah, but a driver can make it happen, bro.
You're right. Especially when I'm the one
The
driving.
Hellcat run the Belgrade ring.
Of course.
Walk down the GT.
GT3. Gotta go back over. That's cop. Right? My ears, bro.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like the craziness.
Hold on, man. I wind it up, bud.
Go ahead.
Alright.
Let's see how fast the Durango is. Yo, there he is. Yo, this is lit, bro.
So the Durango are in supercars.
Alright, look, the Audi is gonna pass. The Audi is gonna pass.
Turn on the verbal tune.
And then the 720 as well.
Not him, can I shine?
Guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. More than likely, I hope the camera is recording good. If it's not, you can get their videos, Vaughn video, but I hope this is recording good, man.
So Durango versus the world, huh?
Durango versus supercars, bro.
The world
Versus the supercars, dog.
Supercars move nice.
And then we just calm and chill. We're cruising at 100, bro. With two 720S's, a C806, and a freaking R8, dog. This is crazy. We're cruising with, baby. R8, Z06, two McLarens.
All right.
Right over there. Yeah, E46 M3. Two McLarens, boy. They probably never thought this car could do that.
They come flying right here to
Attention, reduce speed.
After the McLaren. You want the same thing again through the trunk? Or no?
No, we good.
Okay. That was lit. That was lit. That was a good ass cruise, bro. Yo. This was lit, yo. Shout out to my boy Alec for inviting us, man. This was lit. Open the sunroof. Look who we were cruising with, man. The guys at the McLeasy's and the R8s and the Z06. Of course, go through the sunroof, bro. We're cruising with the big boys. Guys, let me know what y'all thought about that cruise. I just messed up my hair for it. Let me know what you guys think about that cruise, man. We messed up my hair for it, but hey. We're driving the SRT Hellcat Durango, and we kept up pretty good with the supercars. It was a little wet, so it was in our favor, all-wheel drive. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about that, man. Stay tuned, subscribe, and follow all the boys. I'll try to leave all their shit down below. Vaughn Hilton, SRT Frost, Alec.Musa. I'll get the rest. Yeah, let's go, baby.